In this video, I will tell you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So here I have opened up the Instagram application, and when you actually refresh your feed, so your feed actually does not refreshes. Okay, so I can I will tell you that how you can actually fix this. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable internet connection here, like your internet is working here. Okay, and if not, then your Instagram will not refresh the feed, so you have to make sure that your internet is working. And the next thing is, go onto the Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Okay, and if it does not, you must update your application. And if it's still not solve the problem, then you can actually try to reinstall the application and try it again. But sometimes it's issue with the Instagram servers also. Okay, so you have to wait. And the next thing that you can do is actually open up the settings here, go to the apps and notifications, go to the Instagram application, and then go to the storage and clear the cache. Okay, so this might fix the problem here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.